everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Dyson V11 with a battery that is flashing blue. I'll be going over how to fix it and specifically what does it mean. So, if your battery is flashing blue, if it's flashing blue 10 times for instance, that is a signal usually that there's no charge with the battery, okay? The battery is not charged, the battery is empty, it needs to be charged before you can turn it on. And this is especially true if you get that battery flashing blue, okay, 10 times, and then your screen isn't working, the vacuum's not working, nothing's working, okay? That's even more of a signal that your battery is not charged. So, that's what it means. Now, how do you fix it? Well, there's a couple steps. The first step would be to charge your vacuum. So obviously charge your vacuum. Now if you have tried charging your vacuum and it doesn't fix it and your battery is not charging, then that means that you're trying to charge it, the battery's not receiving a charge, so it usually means that the battery itself is problematic and you might have to replace the battery. Okay? It means that your battery might be fried and you might have to replace the battery. Because you're trying to charge it, the battery is not getting charged, okay? And the vacuum is sensing that the battery has no charge, even though you're trying to charge it. The other thing is that maybe your battery's good, but maybe your charging component is fried. So essentially, maybe your battery's fine, but maybe the mechanism within the battery that charges it, within the unit that charges the battery, is not working properly. The other thing that might happen is maybe your charging cable isn't working properly. So maybe your actual cable is, kinked, frayed, bent, whatever the case is. Maybe the cable isn't working properly. The other thing is that maybe your outlet that the cable is plugged into is not working. Maybe the outlet doesn't work, maybe you've blown a fuse, you've tripped the circuit breaker, whatever the case is. Okay, but essentially, the battery flashing blue, the battery indicator light flashing blue is signifying that the battery has no charge. Now, I haven't experienced this firsthand, I just did research for the video, and I wanted to know for myself, owning this vacuum, in case I see that signal, what it means, right? I wanted to educate myself. Now, I've heard stories where the battery is warm, so they're charging it, the battery is warm, but it's still flashing blue and it's still not working, right? So to me what that means is some component is not working properly, because if I'm plugging it in and after 20 minutes, half an hour, I feel that the battery is warm, okay? I see that it's being charged, right? I feel like it should be being charged, but it's not being charged. So that means that there's a problem with the battery or the charging mechanism, okay? Now also, when you're charging your unit, you're gonna see other indicators, right? So you have to use your own analysis to figure out what the problem is. But essentially that battery flashing blue, what it means is that the battery has no power. Now, don't rule out the fact that your outlet might not be giving off power. Maybe you tripped a circuit breaker or you blew a fuse. A lot of the times that happens where you think it's the appliance, but in reality it's something in your home that's causing the problem. So don't rule it out and just start replacing the battery. Try to narrow down what the problem is using the scenarios that I gave you throughout this video. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.